The Holtzman's Gorilla Growler isn't your average knife. It's a survival powerhouse built for those who demand the best. The heart of the growler is its impressive 6.92-inch D2 steel blade. D2 steel is known for its excellent edge retention, meaning it stays sharp longer, crucial for those extended wilderness trips. Overall, the growler boasts a hefty 12.32-inch length. This translates to power and control when tackling tough tasks like chopping wood, batoning down logs, or clearing brush. The growler features G10 handles, known for their superior grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. The growler comes with a Kydex sheath for secure carry. The Kydex material is durable and lightweight, while the included leather strap and upgraded Tech-Lock attachment system allow for multiple carry options on your belt. This isn't just a knife, it's a survival kit in itself. The growler kit includes a ferro rod for fire starting, a G10 scraper for easy spark creation, paracord for lashing and repairs, and even an Allen wrench to customize your sheath setup. Imagine this. You're deep in the wilderness, your phone dies, and you have no way to call for help. This is where the Lifesaver comes in. This multi-purpose survival tool is a must-have. It's a hand-crank device that can generate power for your phone. Believe it or not, with a simple 15-minute twirling motion similar to a jump rope, you can generate a quick charge of 25 milliwatt-hours, enough to get your dead phone back on and send that crucial call for help. The Lifesaver is a multi-tool for survival situations. A built-in 31-lumen flashlight cuts through darkness for up to 30 minutes on a single quick charge. The Lifesaver can also be expanded with optional snap-in modules that offer an emergency siren, plasma fire starter, UV water purifier, panic button with SOS locator beacon app, strobe light, and lantern, making it a comprehensive survival aid. Even the best hand-powered device needs a backup. The Lifesaver comes equipped with a replaceable 2200 mAh battery, providing additional power when you need it most. When venturing into the great outdoors, especially in snake-prone areas like Australia, peace of mind is paramount. Enter the Spika Strike Gators, your essential armor against unexpected encounters and the elements. These aren't your average hiking gators. The Strike Gators are built with heavy-duty PU bonded canvas, specifically designed and tested to withstand the strike of common Australian snakes. It's like wearing a contoured shield for your lower legs, allowing you to explore with minimized risk. Say goodbye to trail annoyances. The Gators keep thorns, rocks, and other debris out, protecting your legs and keeping you focused on the adventure. Stay hidden, stay safe. The Gators utilize a special silent fabric that minimizes noise, perfect for wildlife observation or hunting situations. Don't let a little rain dampen your spirits. The water-resistant material keeps your legs dry from splashes and light rain, ensuring comfort throughout your trek. The 4-way closure system with included wires and integrated shoelace hooks featuring 2 rivets work together to provide a customizable, secure, and gap-free fit. No more worries about the Gators slipping or bunching up, even on uneven terrain, ensuring stability and keeping unwanted visitors out. The T-Spanner 2.0 is a compact titanium multi-tool. This handy tool combines multiple functions into one sleek design. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight titanium, the T-Spanner 2.0 is incredibly strong, corrosion-resistant, and boasts an ingenious adjustable spanner that opens wide enough to tackle various nuts and bolts, eliminating the need to rummage through a toolbox for the right wrench size. The T-Spanner also integrates a built-in nail puller for quick disassembly projects or unexpected repairs, and even features handy markings that double as a caliper for on-the-go measurements. But that's not all. The integrated tungsten attack head makes light work of opening those pesky plastic clamshell packages, and even doubles as a window breaker in an emergency situation. Need a quick measurement? The T-Spanner's markings come in handy again, functioning as a ruler for on-the-spot calculations. The T-Spanner boasts a built-in bottle opener and a handy jar popper, making it your perfect companion for picnics, camping trips, or just unwinding after a long day. The Umarex Air Javelin Pro isn't your ordinary air rifle. It's a powerful PCP pre-charged pneumatic arrow launcher designed for those who crave precision and performance. The Air Javelin Pro packs a serious punch. It utilizes a 7.4 cubic inch onboard air tank that can be filled to a whopping 4,500 psi. A built-in regulator ensures consistent pressure for optimal accuracy, delivering around 25 effective shots. Expect roughly 15 full-power shots before needing a refill. The included Picatinny rail allows for the seamless attachment of sights or scopes. Additionally, the Air Javelin Pro fires specially designed Umarex straight flight arrows with HPS technology. This combination of high-performance arrows and a consistent air delivery system ensures your shots hit their mark. M-LOK slots located on either side of the air rifle provide real estate for attaching additional accessories like bipods, flashlights, or lasers, tailoring the rifle to your specific needs and shooting style. Anyone who spends a lot of time kneeling knows the importance of good knee protection. The No Cry Guard Pad is designed to be your ultimate kneeling companion, offering a perfect blend of comfort, support, and protection. These knee pads offer superior protection without compromising on comfort. Ideal for activities like hiking, climbing, and even during emergencies where you might need to crawl or kneel. The No Cry Guard Pad combines high-density EVA foam and gel cushioning for plush, all-day comfort, while the breathable 600D polyester mesh exterior keeps your knees cool and dry. Adjustable elastic straps with military-grade rivets ensure a secure, non-slip fit that conforms to your leg size and activity level, eliminating bunching and slippage. A flexible yet tough cap design provides a lightweight barrier against bumps, scrapes, and impacts you might encounter on the job. This protective gear is designed to keep you safe during intense activities or when working with potentially dangerous tools. Don't be fooled by its size. The B2 Nano Blade is a mini marvel of engineering, inspired by the sleek efficiency of the B2 Stealth Bomber. This ultra-lightweight, everyday carry pocket knife might be small, but it packs a serious punch for its size. Weighing in at under an ounce, the Nano Blade is a featherweight champion. It disappears into your pocket without a trace, making it perfect for situations where traditional pocket knives might feel bulky or cumbersome. Despite its miniature size, the Nano Blade boasts a robust 30mm blade crafted from high-quality 440C stainless steel. The handle and construction are designed with precision and detail, ensuring a comfortable grip and long-lasting durability. You can rely on the Nano Blade to be there when you need it, whether you're tackling a quick box-cutting job or opening an envelope on the go. Its pointed tip can be used for light prying or scraping, while the handle's slim design allows for some creative leverage applications in a pinch. Perfect for everyday carry, it's your go-to tool for quick cuts and emergencies. There you have it, 7 essential survival gear and gadgets that every man must own. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite survival gear is, and if there's anything else you think should be on this list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome survival tips and gear reviews.